Hiya guys, welcome to another video. So today we've had a gorgeous pink parcel arrive and I'm guessing this is from Varnail. Let's have a little look, get it open shall we? Yes, it's from Varnail. So inside here we've got some brand new Varnail products. As always, it comes beautifully packed in this gorgeous pink heart bubble wrap. I love their packaging. So we have got their new glow in the dark no wipe top coat. We've got their glitter top coat, which is called Star. We've got another glitter top coat, which is called Dawn. And then lastly, we've got their white glow in the dark gel polish. These are going to be great. We all love a bit of glow in the dark. So for those of you that don't know about Varnail, Varnail gels are made without ingredients linked to toxicity. They're Big 5 free, cruelty free, and they're vegan friendly. You've got all your ingredients on the back there. They cure in an LED light for 30 to 60 seconds and a UV light to 60 to 90 seconds. And they've got a really long 3-year shelf life as well. I really like their packaging. I really like their bottles. So inside the box comes like this. Ooh, bright white. Oh, look at that lid. It's shimmery. You're going to be able to see that? Probably not. Come on, camera. Can you see that shimmer on that lid? That is beautiful. Love that. So this is the white glow-in-the-dark gel polish. You've also got your swatch on the top. If, like me, you look down on your gels, it's nice to have the swatch in the lid. Right, let's get the rest of these unboxed, and then we'll take a look at them and get them swatched, shall we? Oh, I've just noticed, guys, it's not even just the lid. The whole bottle is shimmery. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Love that bottle. Love it. So we've got the white gel polish glow in the dark. We've got the glow in the dark no wipe top coat. And then we've got the 2 glitter top coats there. So we're going to get these swatched now and have a little look at them. See what they're like. So I think we'll check out these glittery ones first. And I want to try them over a couple of different colours. So I'm going to try them over a black first. Look at the size of these bottles as well, guys. Big, massive 15ml bottles. I like the shape of them. It makes them so much easier to store, being rectangles. So this one is called Star, colour GTC01. Ooh, it is cram-packed full of glitter as well. Loads of glitter in there. It's got no smell to it either. Look at that. Beautiful. Pop that in the lamp. The next glitter top coat is called Dawn, colour number GTC02. And it's got their new bristles as well on the brush. I'm going to show you that in a minute. I'm loving these new bristles. Now look at these bristles, guys. They're like a fan shape. They're called DuPont bristles and they are so soft. Let me try and show you how soft they are. They're just ultra soft. And they fit so nice in that cuticle area. They fit perfect in that cuticle area. Really nice brushes. Oh, I like that. Gorgeous. Next up, we're going to take a look at this glow in the dark white gel polish. This has got the new DuPont bristles in it as well. Oh wow. Some glow in the darks can be a bit temperamental, as in they can be a little bit sheer and they can be a little bit like grainy. This does not feel grainy at all. It still feels nice and creamy and it looks super opaque. A lot of glow in the darks, you tend to lose that pigment, but no, not this one. It's looking very opaque. Wow. Look at that for one coat, guys, of a glow in the dark. Look at that. It could probably do with 2 coats with it being on a clear swatch stick. But you get that on a natural coloured nail, 1 coat is going to be plenty. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp, then I will just give it a second coat. Oh, wow, look at that, guys, for 2 coats. Full on opaque. Full on coverage on a clear tip. Right, so for this no wipe glow in the dark top coat, I've just pulled out an old orange swatch stick. Give that a cure. Oh, wow, look at them glow, guys. So that's this one is the white glow in the dark gel polish, and then this one is the glow in the dark no wipe top coat. And it is a no wipe as well. Ah, wow. They are glowing bright. Love them. Right, let's get all the lights back on, and then I'm going to show you a couple of things you can do with these. Before I do that, I just want to show you one of these glitter top coats over a different colour swatch stick. So you're going to get a different effect over different base colours. So this is Dawn. Ah, that's beautiful. That would make a beautiful shimmery nail bed colour. I like it. Look at that. Really, really pretty golden shimmer. I really like that. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp. And then that is all the swatches, guys. So we've got the glittery top coats. We've got the orange one, which is the glow in the dark top coat. And then we've got the white one on the end, which is the glow in the dark white gel polish. Look at those. Well smart, ain't they? I love that Dawn over that like pinky nude colour. Well happy with every single one of them. Right, I just want to show you, I'm just going to do a 1 nail tutorial now, guys, using a few of these. And I just want to show you something that you can do with them. So I'm going to be using a black swatch stick. To start with, I'm going to apply a full coat of Star. Then I'm going to give that a cure. While that's curing, I'm going to pop a little bit of the white glow in the dark gel polish on my palette. And I'm going to use a dotting tool. And we're just going to do dot there, dot there, dot, dot. And then a dot there like that. And then I'm going to use a detailer brush. And I'm going to down. Up. Like that. Same with this top one here. Out. Pull it like that. So we've got our 4 pointed stars. Right, so going to paint a bit of the moon with the white. Like that. Give that a cure. And then, with the glow-in-the-dark top coat, I'm going to paint over that. And I'm going to actually turn that into a full moon. So when it glows in the dark, it's actually going to be a spooky full moon, but you can't actually see it until it's glowing. Like that. So you can't actually see it right now, but once it's glowing in the dark, you will do. Right, should we pop that in the lamp and have a look at it glowing? And then that is what it looks like glowing in the dark. How cool is that? So you got the moon, you got the stars, you got the full moon there. But when the lights are back on, you no longer have a full moon. You just have half a moon. Not even half. And then you got the glitter in the background, which is just gives it that extra little bit of galaxy vibes. That is so cool, isn't it? So you can kind of do like hidden designs, and there's so many different like hidden glow in the dark designs you can do, guys. I'm gonna have to try and think of some more, aren't I? But yeah, that was just a little thing that I wanted to show you can do with it. So there we go. That's everything for today's video, guys. What do you think to these new Varnail products? I think they're well smart. I've got a few different ideas in mind for them, especially using this as a shimmery nail bed colour. Can't wait to use that. I'm really impressed with this white gel polish as well. It is super bright white and it glows like crazy. Love it. I'm like a big kid when it comes to glow in the dark stuff. So all these products what I've showed you today, I'm going to leave links for in my description box below. I have got a massive 25% off discount code for Varnail, guys, which is GG30. I'll pin that in my comments along with a link to the Varnail website. So don't forget to take advantage of that if you're placing an order. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.